Hi, welcome back to today's morning report on Tuesday the 28th of April with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at cable now. We've just in the last 5 minutes had this data out, this GDP data for the UK, and it's come in worse than expected. Plus 0.3% for the quarter. It was was under the 0.5% expectation. And cable's come off, and the majority of this red candle that you can see on the daily chart is due to that move. Although the daily chart continues to remain positive, you'd say this red candle that we've got developing here could be a bit of a fly in the ointment of that move. You've got to ultimately the technical analysis of this move here ultimately gives us a target of around 53.40. But as I said, this red candle is developing at the moment, and we're sort of just waiting to see how that one moves, really, because on the intraday chart, you can see this hourly candle has just dropped quite significantly. It's still well within this uptrend though, and whilst you're in this uptrend, there's no real problems. And not only that, you've got this uptrend that comes in around 51.09. I've got the cursor there, and that sort of coincides with these two support lows that we've got around 51 figure. So 51.03 that one, and 51.08 this one here on my Reuters chart. So basically in line with that. So if you do get a sharp correction, you've got the uptrend support and those two support levels as well. You wouldn't really want to go below 51 figure now, because it would sort of suggest that you're now beginning to break down the sequence of higher lows, which would begin to question the outlook. But you've got the support that's 50.53, and that is the level there, this reaction high here. So those you've got that key support area that you could argue is the next level below. But at the moment you're still hanging on. This bearish red candle that we've got developing on the hourly chart isn't sort of disastrous yet. You could even argue this 55-hour moving average in the last week has become the basis of support, and that's basically where we're trading now. So if that starts to hold, then that would be interesting as well, because you could even suggest that might be a nice little dip for a buying opportunity. Hourly momentum is still positive, although you do have this sort of slight bearish divergence. Nothing too significant, but yeah, you'd say that you're still in positive configuration on this hourly momentum. The RSI continues, or has done, to find lows at 40 in the last few days and push higher. MACD lines continuing to turn up above neutral. So I think this one might be a wait and see in the next couple of hours to see what happens today. Remaining this afternoon, you've got the US consumer confidence at 3 o'clock, so that's something that we need to keep an eye on. But at the moment, this GDP data hasn't been disastrous yet for the UK, and you'd still argue that daily chart is pretty positive still. And that upside flag pattern gives us a target of 53.40, so that is still something you can work towards, as long as you don't see this hourly uptrend broken, the support as well around 51 figure. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.